that. So the first part of the question is pretty simple. We're finding the 15th term, then we're simply going to say 215. Where there's n, you're going to substitute 15, which means you're going to write our formula: 3 times 2 to the power of 15 minus 1. Then we simply just substitute this into your calculator. You should get 49,152, and that will be our solution for the first part of the question. So for the second part of the question, which sometimes is a curveball for many learners, they're asking you to calculate the term. The term is the keyword, and term we know is n. So we'll be determining the n that's equals to that 1.5 million. How do we go about it? So we're given that 1572864 will be equals to 3 times 2 to the power of n minus 1. So our key focal area here will be making n the subject of the formula, which means we're going to divide both sides of the equation by 3, and it should give us, if we divide 1,572,864 by 3, if you plug that into your calculator, you should get that it's equals to 524,288, which will be equals to 2 to the power of n minus 1. And our n, you can see that's an exponent. And how do we bring down an exponent? And we know in grade 12 we learned of something called logarithms. So we're going to just apply our logs, which will be log of 2. Then we substitute 524,288, which will be equals to n minus 1. So if you plug this log 2 524,288 into your formula, you should get 19, and you take the 1 and you bring it to the left hand side, will be plus, so it will be 19 plus 1, and therefore your n will be equals to 20. And you don't have to take my word for it, you can always double check if your n is correct. And how do you double check that? You take this n is 20, you take it back and you substitute it back where there is n, and you see what answer you get. If you don't get the same answer as this one